After gathering reviews from all over the internet, this is what users have to say about the VOLTRX Premium Electric Protein Shaker bottle, a product that has quickly become a staple for fitness enthusiasts and anyone who regularly mixes powdered drinks. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Your feedback is invaluable. The VOLTRX Premium Electric Protein Shaker bottle stands out in a crowded market of shaker bottles, blending both innovative technology and practical design. The bottle is constructed from Triton, a material that is not only shatter-resistant, but also meets infant-grade safety regulations, ensuring it is BPA-free and safe for daily use. This attention to material quality is frequently mentioned by users who appreciate the peace of mind that comes with knowing their drinkware is free from harmful chemicals and can withstand the rigors of daily life. The design of the VOLTRX shaker is both unique and functional. It features a 24-ounce capacity, though measurements on the side only go up to 20 ounces. This size is ideal for most protein shakes and pre-workout mixes, providing enough volume for a full serving while remaining compact and easy to carry. The bottle's eye-catching vortex mixing spectacle is a talking point among users, who often mention the visual appeal of the spinning liquid, especially when mixing clear drinks or colored powders. This not only makes the bottle a conversation starter at the gym or office, but also provides a satisfying visual confirmation that the contents are being thoroughly mixed. Performance is where the VOLTRX Premium Electric Protein Shaker truly shines. The powerful motor ensures that protein powders, pre-workout supplements, and other drink mixes are blended smoothly and efficiently, leaving no clumps or residue. Users frequently note that the blending mechanism is strong enough to handle even thicker powders, though it does have its limitations. The bottle is best suited for single-scoop protein shakes and similar mixes. Attempts to blend oats, fruits, or multiple scoops of dense powders may result in less satisfactory performance, as the motor is not designed for heavy-duty blending. Nevertheless, for its intended use mixing powdered drinks, the VOLTRX shaker delivers consistent and reliable results. One of the standout features of this shaker is its rechargeable battery. A single 2-hour charge provides up to a month of use, based on a typical pattern of 3 uses per week. Many users report getting more than 25 uses from a single charge, making it highly convenient for those with busy lifestyles. The USB-C charging port is another appreciated touch, as it allows for fast and universal charging without the need for disposable batteries. This not only reduces waste, but also ensures the bottle is always ready for use when needed. Ease of cleaning is a major advantage of the VOLTRX shaker. The bottle is designed to be easy to wash with an IPX5 certification that allows the outer part to be rinsed safely. The recommended cleaning method involves adding warm water and a small amount of detergent, activating the vortex to clean the interior, and then rinsing. This process is quick and effective, eliminating the need for tedious manual scrubbing. The removable base is another thoughtful feature, allowing users to protect the motor from water during washing and ensuring the longevity of the device. Portability and convenience are core strengths of this product. The bottle features a sturdy plastic handle on top, making it easy to carry to the gym, office, or anywhere else. Its compact dimensions ensure it fits comfortably in most backpack side pockets and cup holders. The sealed cap and leak-proof design provide confidence when transporting the bottle, with users consistently reporting no issues with spills or leaks during everyday use. The tactile experience of using the VOLTRX shaker is also noteworthy. The bottle's plastic construction provides a secure, non-slip grip, even when hands are sweaty or wet. The glossy finish adds to its visual appeal, while the overall build quality feels robust and durable. However, some users have noted that the bottle can be difficult to open at times, especially if the lid is secured too tightly. This can occasionally lead to spills or messes if not handled carefully. An improvement in the lid's opening mechanism would be welcomed by many users. Customer service is an area where VOLTRX has received significant praise. In cases where the product has malfunctioned or suffered damage, such as after being dropped or experiencing issues with the locking mechanism, users report prompt and helpful responses from the company. Replacements are often shipped quickly, and the company stands by its 12-month warranty, even though the Amazon listing mentions only a 30-day warranty. This commitment to customer satisfaction has helped build trust and loyalty among users, who appreciate knowing that support is readily available if needed. Despite its many strengths, the VOLTRX Premium Electric Protein Shaker is not without its drawbacks. Some users have experienced issues with durability, particularly after accidental drops or prolonged use. In a few cases, components such as the plastic locking ears have broken, rendering the power base unusable. While customer service has generally addressed these concerns promptly, it is worth noting that the bottle may not be as rugged as some traditional, non-electric shakers. Additionally, the motor's power can diminish when the battery is low, so regular charging is recommended to maintain optimal performance. Another limitation is the bottle's blending capacity. While it excels at mixing single-scoop protein shakes and similar drinks, it struggles with thicker mixtures or the addition of ingredients like oats or fruit. Users seeking a device capable of blending smoothies or more complex recipes may find the VOLTRX shaker lacking in this regard. It is best viewed as a specialized tool for mixing powdered drinks rather than a full-fledged blender. The overall user experience with the VOLTRX Premium Electric Protein Shaker is overwhelmingly positive. The combination of strong blending performance, ease of cleaning, portability, and attractive design make it a favorite among fitness enthusiasts and anyone who regularly consumes powdered drinks. The convenience of being able to mix a perfectly smooth shake at the touch of a button and clean the bottle just as easily cannot be overstated. For many, this product has replaced both manual shakers and traditional blenders, streamlining their routines and reducing the time and effort required to prepare and clean up after drinks. The bottle's visual appeal is frequently mentioned in reviews. The vortex effect created by the mixing mechanism is not only functional, but also visually striking, often drawing attention and compliments from others. This feature adds an element of fun and satisfaction to the otherwise mundane task of mixing a drink. The available color options, such as the smoky black model, further enhance the bottle's aesthetic appeal, allowing users to choose a style that suits their preferences. In terms of value for money, the VOLTRX shaker is considered a worthwhile investment by most users. Its reasonable price point, combined with its robust feature set and reliable performance, make it a compelling choice for anyone in need of a portable, electric shaker. The inclusion of a USB-C charging cable, a 12-month warranty, and responsive customer service further enhance its value proposition. In summary, the VOLTRX Premium Electric Protein Shaker bottle is a standout product that addresses the common pain points associated with mixing powdered drinks. Its powerful motor, easy cleaning process, and portable design make it a practical and enjoyable tool for everyday use. While it has some limitations in terms of blending capacity and long-term durability, these are outweighed by its many strengths and the excellent support provided by the manufacturer. If you are looking for a convenient, efficient, and visually appealing solution for mixing protein shakes and similar drinks, the VOLTRX shaker is highly recommended. Remember, if you have experience with this product, please leave your review in the comments below to help others make informed decisions. For those interested in purchasing or learning more, the product link is in the description. Using it helps support the channel. The VOLTRX Premium Electric Protein Shaker bottle is a product that truly makes life easier for anyone who regularly mixes powdered drinks, combining innovation, convenience, and style in a single user-friendly package.